Hey guys, we're just doing a quick update on the sod we laid. If you missed the sod, go back, see down below, you can, or up there or somewhere, you can see that video and
All the labor.
us laying the sod in.
Work.
It was hard work. It took lots of vodka to get that sod in.
Our secret out, sorry.
The secrets are exposed.
Oh, look.
So it's been about a month, and the yard is really coming in strong. So I know we have you can see our other videos where we're taking care of other areas of our yard with TruGreen. So that's going to be a series. We bought the year service, so we'll keep you updated on that year service. But
the sod has not been treated. It's just was put in, and the only thing we've done is water. That's it.
And the sod is from the Sod Farm. So if you're in the Pasco area, you can get it from the Sod Farm. So let's go into it and let's take a deeper look at this grass. As you can see, the grass is coming in really good. There is some low spots like that right there, but we haven't cut this since we put it in. It's been a month. And we've taken and we've hand watered about every day to get this consistency of grass. So it's been a challenge to get this to come in, but it's starting to look like the older grass that is cut over there. So it looks pretty good, and it's pretty matched thanks to Danielle and her tucking in just right.
Or else we would have had holes everywhere.
So guys, if this laying of the sod, if this update was helpful to you, see the video on where we go and we actually lay the sod. And it is a lot of work. I didn't use the proper tools. I think I used an edger to actually till up the soil.
Got the job done.
I did my job. So it's in, and it's looking really good and green. Hopefully this keeps the HOAs off our butt, and we have green grass in the future.
And no weeds.
Well, yeah, no weeds.
Well, the weeds was the cause of the whole brown grass issue, and then the drought, and then it just kept festering, and so we had to replace it.
And also when I was digging up the soil, I saw them little beetles. And so we actually sprayed for the little beetles.
Yes, they say that can also kill off your lawn. If you have big brown spots in your lawn, they said it might not be a fungus or anything. It could be a bug. Did not know that, and nothing kills it except, I guess, certain things. So,
and that's what TruGreen is for.
Did that for us, and we're seeing a lot of growth.
So if you want to see how to lay the sod down, go check out our video down below on laying the sod. Also, down below you'll see the series of TruGreen. Right now, at the making of this video, there's only 2 applications. So, but coming up soon, they're going to do the aeration.
Aeration and then another application.
So
and it's looking good.
It is looking good. We'll show you that too. Yeah, we'll show you that. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this, I think. Yeah. Also, there's a little bell there that's supposed to give you reminders. I don't know if it works or not. Does it do the ding-a-ling?
I don't know.
We don't know. But also check out our blog with Dining and with Danielle. Or
recipes.
You can get there from Chris Does What? Great recipes.
Right. They are. I'm actually going to experiment tonight. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet.
Just check out the blog. You'll see it. And y'all, please take care.